I tried to put my hair down so that it looked a little decent, but it looks like crap still. Happy day 3 of Vlogmas. My arm hurts. It's I think like 7:30, maybe 8 o'clock. I had a really good night's sleep last night. Sorry, I'm gonna go like this because my back still hurts. I had a really good sleep last night, which was awesome. The night before I woke up at 4 a.m. and then I couldn't go back to sleep, so I was able to sleep through the night. I went to sleep I think at 9, and then I woke up at 6, and I just edited day 2 of the vlog, which I was just laying in bed just tapping. I use a program called InShot on my iPad. It's so easy to use, so I don't feel like stressed or anything when I'm editing. It actually calms me down. It keeps my head off of the pain that I've been having. But I'm about to make breakfast, and I think today I'm going to give you guys a little tour as to where I'm staying. My house, of course, but I'm quarantining for my husband, which he's been sleeping upstairs, and he brought a bed downstairs for me, and I have a little setup here, so I'll show you guys that today. My arm. Okay. Muscles hurt really bad. So I'm gonna go make breakfast and I'll come back. Sent me this mug, little care package. It's so cute. At the hospital, they were giving me decaf coffee, so now I crave the decaf coffee. That made me really tired. So now I'm just gonna sit on the couch, watch YouTube, and eat breakfast. I'll show you guys my breakfast. Avocado toast with egg whites, oranges, and my decaf coffee. Good stuff. Hi, I just wanted to do a little check-in. I've just been laying down and watching YouTube, catching up on all my Vlogmas people. I did want to kind of talk about a little bit. I don't know. I've been having ear issues. And it happened in the hospital, and I told the nurse because it felt like, I don't know if it's because of the same muscle, something pressing against my ears, but I keep like losing my hearing at times. It's weird. I don't know. It just feels like it's a headache, but also like I lose my my hearing. Last night when I was brushing my teeth, I like went down a little bit and it went on both. Usually it's just this one, but I've been losing it on this one too. So if you guys know anything that affects, like COVID affects your ears, I don't know. But I don't know, it's annoying because I'm like, why can't I hear him this year? Like, it's just weird. So other than that, I'm going to make a little snack. I'm gonna make a little protein shake, just half a banana, protein, so it can hold me over until lunch. And I was gonna show you guys my room too, so I'll do that in a little bit. Change of plans. I'm not gonna do a snack. I'm just gonna eat lunch because it's Ryan's lunchtime right now, so we're gonna eat lunch together. Okay, I promised you guys a little tour as to where I'm staying. Well, Ryan had set up the tree and the garland. It's not decorated, it's just there. And then he brought everything in here. So this was Ryan's office. Do that. So that's Ryan's office. But he brought the little guest bed that we had upstairs down here. I just did laundry, so I'm gonna fold that in a minute. And then here are all my essentials. So I have my water bottle, my hand sanitizer, my meds, the little cute plushie that Ellie sent me, my glasses, some books, hairbrush, and then Ryan filled out this little water bottle so I can keep filling up this big one. And that's pretty much it. I have my little light, my bed, a bunch of pillows, my Stitch keeps me company. And then Ryan put this little neck pillow in case I want to like lay down, because I ordered something which is coming today, I think. And it'll help me kind of sit up in the mornings when I'm like either editing or I'm just like on TikTok or whatever. But yeah, this is my little space. The cool thing is that it has these double doors, and I have my little space heater here for at night. Since it was his office, he kept this here. He just had to run like a cable all the way up so that he can work from home while he's taking care of me. Cool thing is that it has this direct door to my current bathroom. So I have my robe, my shower with my little seat because I still got tired. Shower. And then all my toothbrush. This needs to go in the trash. Me and Ryan still share this bathroom, so I have bleach and Purell. So I like wipe everything down when I use it. That's pretty much it. I wanted to see if I had any nail stuff here because I don't. Because my nails need help. So that's my shower. So I'm going to fold my laundry now. That's it. And then, usually I just, every morning, spend my day over here. Just chill on the couch, watching TV. And then my kitchen's a mess right now. We have pretty much all the pills we're taking, so all the vitamins, Advil, my oatmeal if I want some. We have disinfectant wipes for when we need them, cough drops, temperature check, oxygen check, and there's a little COVID station. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a little messy, but we do what we can right now. So for dinner, we're having tacos. Yesterday I made ground beef, so I just added low-carb tortillas with lettuce and a little bit of sour cream and cheese. Style cheese. And Ryan's gonna have 2 tacos and then a quesadilla, possibly.
2 big tacos.
2 tacos.
Giant.
Hi. It's, what time is it? 7 p.m.?
Oh,
7? Cool. I think it's 7. Let me straighten you out. There we go. 7 p.m. We had dinner. We're watching extras. And I want to show you guys that I have this. I bought this at, I don't even remember where I bought this.
Grocery outlet?
Yeah, grocery outlet. It's 12 Cocos of Christmas. So since I'm doing Vlogmas, I thought we would drink not one every day, but one every other day. Pretty much me and Ryan would share one. So the first one is double chocolate cocoa mix. So let's open this. As you guys know, I love hot cocoa. Although I have to be a little careful with my sugar now, because the medication that they put me in raises my sugar. So that's why I'm going to do it every other day instead of every day. So let's start with day 1, double chocolate cocoa mix. So I just like a little packet. Yeah, literally just a little packet. So I'll divide it in half, and then me and Ryan will drink it. It'll be a nice little treat.
David Bowie.
Cheers.
Oh my god.
That's it, Bobby and his wife.
So I'm going to ask you to leave. You just put us here. David Bowie's here. I know, but it's really
It's okay. I add a little bit more chocolate since me and Ryan are sharing.
Oh.
It's unsweetened.
Quick sit down. Yeah,
it's
just
good.
have a sit down. Quick little sit down. Energy, back into it. How's it going? Brilliant. Doing excellent. Doing chef